Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So last night it just like snowed out of nowhere, and we had like, I don't know, 2 inches or something like that. But it is, what time is it here? It's 12:54 and it's already almost gone. So the day before it was like 60 degrees outside, and then it snowed yesterday, and then now it's already almost gone. It's like 45 degrees outside, so that's not lasting long. Anyway, we had a tree come down in our yard, so I'm going to take you outside and show you that. They're out there splitting it up and all that. But after that, we're going to what is going on with my hair? Something weird going on with my hair. Anyway, after that, we're going to clean out my fridge because it needs it really, really bad. And it's not been cleaned out since probably Christmas. It's so nasty. So we're going to tackle that next. But first, let me take you outside and show you what's going on in the front yard with this tree. I was getting ready to open up my fridge to show y'all the inside of it, and I realized I still have these Merry Christmas magnets up here that a friend of mine gave me. So I guess we need to take the Christmas magnets down. I have to go out there and put those in my Christmas tote. Anyway, if you hear noise in the background, that's all the chainsaws and stuff going on. So here's the inside of my god-awful fridge. It's so bad. There is so many things in here that have got to be expired. Like, yeah. It's just bad. And then, so I have a lot of these containers in here. I need to get those out because then I don't have anything to put my leftovers in. And I have tons of sauces and all kinds of stuff like that. So I need to get all that done. It's just some nastiness going on. Here is a close-up of how the inside of my fridge looked. Very, very disgusting. It is so gross. And it's so weird because there was hair in my fridge in the back, like on the bottom part. You probably can't see it in this clip, but how in the world? I don't understand, but it is really, really gross. The inside was so nasty, I had to just take the thing completely apart and wash all the components and get inside and scrub the inside, because there was no like just wiping it out. It needed to be like deconstructed. It was so yucky. It took about 45 minutes to like really give this a good scrubbing on the inside also. Maybe 30, I don't know. It seemed like forever because it's not a fun job, and I was just thinking about all the other things that I could be doing that was way more fun than scrubbing out the fridge. But I was not able to get any like really good shots of me scrubbing the inside of the fridge, so sorry about that. But all you could basically see was me, you know, on my hands and knees and just the back of me and not inside the fridge. So sorry about that, but hope you find the rest of it satisfying. Really? 3 mustards? Why do I need 3 mustards? I don't know. Let's see. That one's good. Oh, that one's good. What do we got here? That one's not any good. Oh, Lord. I have a feeling that there's going to be a lot of things like that, because that's good. Another sour cream. I have like 3 or 4 sour creams, and this is yet another one. Bean dip. Oh, this is good. That does not smell good. That does not smell like turkey bacon. That smells like turkey doo-doo. Hello. And then we have some leftovers, so of taco soup that I made about 3 weeks ago. So that's gonna go in the trash as well. Wonder what this is. Oh my, let's see. Oh, that's those Swedish meatballs I made the other day. So I'll put those in a smaller container because I hate these containers, but I was out of my nice glass container, so I had to use this. So I'll put that in a smaller container and save it because that's still good. I made that a day ago. I think that's everything I'm keeping. So I'm gonna go get my little baskets and get everything sorted and put back in the fridge. So here's my stash, and it literally came out of my stash. These are just things that I have that I've had on hand for a while. My mom bought me these containers right here. I have some of these left over from a project that I did from Dollar Tree. I've got some of these. I might need to get some more of those, but I do have some of those. My thing is, I don't have a Cricut or anything. I did, and it was my daughter's. I was borrowing it, and she had to take it back, so I don't have a label thing, but I don't know, we'll see. If I can tell what's in there, then I'll use those. Anyway, it's just some containers I already had, so I'm gonna try to put these to use instead of spending more money. So let me get this together, and we'll start putting all these in there. If you are still here, I just wanted to say thank you so much for hanging out during the duration of this video. I know it's a little bit longer than I normally put out, but it takes a while to scrub out and organize a fridge, y'all, so you know, it's gonna be a tad bit longer. But if you're new here, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button and touch the bell on there so that you'll get notified of all my upcoming videos. I have finally finished. Oh my goodness, this was a bigger job than I expected. It was so dirty. So I took, as you've seen, I took the fridge completely apart and cleaned it, and it needed that really good deep clean so bad. But I told you I was going to clean out the freezer too, but I am out of time, so I'm not going to do that in this video, but I will hit it in a different video. So anyway, let me show you what I've done. So over here on the door, I have all my butter. I did not even realize I had that many sticks of butter, so that's crazy. I have garlic spread, my Smart Balance, and so that's nice having all that there. And then I put my creamer here, and Matt always sets his cup, like his Yeti cup right here. So that's kind of like at our fingertips. And then the sour cream and whipping cream, dressings, like right here, salad dressings, Parmesan cheese, and then fruit juice, coconut milk, and then down here I have like all my teriyaki, sesame seed oil, barbecue, and jelly. My brother makes jelly, so he recently gave me 3 jars, so it's down there. This is so much nicer. And I have a place if I need to grow too. I can put a few more things in there. And then over here, I put the drinks up here. So Dr. Pepper, and then I have one to grow. My husband is a Dr. Pepper fanatic. I don't drink soda. But anyway, so I have one to grow, and then my meal replacement shakes. And then I'm out of eggs. All I have is one egg, but my eggs will go here. And then I put this Lazy Susan in here. So it's the mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. I need to turn that around. There we go. Mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. And then down here, you know how like you just have tons of random jars? So this one is like pickles, jalapenos, some salsa, relish, that kind of stuff, olives. And then this one is just some leftover stuff that I had that I really don't have a place to put, but I love that it's all contained. I know what's in there, so I can just pull that straight out and get out what I need. So I love those. Thank you, Mama, for those baskets. I'm finally using them. Aren't you proud of me? And then right here is our meat and cheese drawer. So back there I have the cream cheese, a mascarpone, and then lunch meat, sliced cheese. We normally have 2 or 3 different packs of sliced cheese, but we're just low on that today. And then shredded cheese back there. And then here's our meat drawer. I've got to split that up, put it in the freezer. And then all of our veggies down here. I just want to say thank you one more time for hanging out with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below, and so I'll know to do more videos of this type. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!